Well, hello everybody, this is Todd Miller, and as part of my video blog, I'm here with Michael Shalaba, who is a loan officer with Wells Fargo, and I just wanted to first thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
And what I want to do with Michael, just ask him a couple questions that probably are questions that you guys have out there, and something that'll help you with your get a house bought or get through a loan program. Michael, what do you think the most difficult thing right now through the whole loan process is on your end? What's the most difficult thing that if people out there buying a house just did this one thing, it would make it so much easier for them to get through the whole process in a seamless fashion?
For me, is everyone needs to get pre-approved, and if you can get pre-approved prior to starting your home shopping experience, that would be the best thing. A lot of the properties out there are going to require a bank pre-approval, so getting pre-approved with a bank like Wells Fargo ahead of time, to me, is the most important thing.
And a lot of the properties that are bank-owned are Wells Fargo properties. You have to get a Wells Fargo pre-qual.
Yep, can they use it anyways, so.
Can they use your pre-qual on any property?
Yes, they can use my pre-approval letter for any property.
Perfect.
Whether it's a Wells Fargo listing or another listing in the market.
Okay, good. What are some things then that a person could do? Because the one objection I hear when people say, hey, I want to go buy a house, but I want to save for a down payment. What's the one thing you could say to somebody? Like, what's the minimum amount you need to buy, and how does that work?
Generally for FHA, it's 3.5% down.
Okay.
What I try to do with my clients is meet with them up front, because a lot of people have false expectations and think that they need to save more money. But there are down payment assistance programs. They may be eligible for a VA loan, which doesn't require a down payment.
Okay.
So knowing what their options are up front by meeting with a professional, to me, is the best thing to do, rather than maybe listening to what your friend says or your cousin says or someone like that.
Okay, so it's 1, get pre-approved, 2, meet up front and find out exactly what the costs are going to be.
Correct.
Are there some programs where the sellers can help contribute toward that 3.5% or 3%, or does that have to come right from them?
It has to come from the buyer. The seller can contribute towards their closing costs, though.
So they basically, if someone's buying a $100,000 house, which in this market can still be a pretty decent house, for $3,000 they can basically move in. I mean, they can basically get a house.
Yep, $3,500.
$3,500, 3.5%.
Yep.
Sweet. If somebody wants to pre-approve with you, what do they have to do?
Definitely give me a call on my cell phone.
Okay, and your cell phone is?
It's 702-592-0722, and then I can direct them whether to do it over the telephone with me, meet face-to-face, or do it online.
Okay, good. If you missed that number, it's going to be up at the very end on the screen, so you'll just be able to get it from there. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, Todd.
All right.